Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Highway 118, also known as Ontario Highway 118, is a scenic route that passes through the picturesque region of Maple Lake in Haliburton County, Ontario. This area is rich in history and natural beauty. The highway's origins trace back to the mid-1800s, following paths of early colonization roads like the Peterson Road, which was built between 1858 and 1863 to promote settlement in the region. Maple Lake itself is a serene body of water covering approximately 336 hectares, with depths reaching up to 123 feet. It's nestled between the communities of Carnarvon to the southwest and Haliburton Village to the east. Traveling along Highway 118 provides a glimpse into the area's rich history and showcases the natural beauty of Ontario's cottage country. The route offers scenic views of Maple Lake's clear waters and the surrounding landscapes, making it a memorable journey through this charming part of the province.